Hi, I'm Dan Holohan at the big AHR show in New York with my friend Fernando Mireles.
Hey, Dan. How are you?
And I got to tell you, what I've always loved about Webstone is you guys listen to contractors and come up with products to solve their problems. And it's just, that's so refreshing. So what's new this year?
Lots of stuff new this year, Dan. Starting with our EXP line of tankless water heater installation valve kits. We've got a whole new Phase 4 introduction coming out on this year, a little later this year. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be new. On our Isolator line, we've got press fittings now on that. We originally invented that Isolator line.
I know.
And we're innovating it again by adding the press fittings on it, the only ones in the industry that have that at this point in time. Our ProConnect program, which is a full line of push fittings, has grown in the amount of SKUs as well as adding valves to it. So it's one of the biggest lines out there in the push line of things. But probably one of the most exciting things is our Phase 3 HydroCore for installing ModCon boilers. And for that, I'd like you to see John, and he's going to tell you a little bit about what we've done there.
Now we're with John McCaffrey. Hey, how are you? Good. So tell me about what you got here, John.
This is a Webstone product group called HydroCore, and we developed it about 4 years ago, and it's designed specifically for near boiler piping for high efficiency boilers. And you've written about this in a few articles, primary, secondary, the fundamentals of hydronics.
Saves a lot of time.
And this manifold is imperative to get that accomplished. You've got closely spaced T's, which the contractor needs. We've taken this manifold and integrated into a couple of valves that have purging capabilities.
Right, beautiful.
Great for boiler startup, great for maintaining the boiler and isolating it from the system. The key with HydroCore is to have a quick install, and you're looking here at HydroCore Flex, which is a flex kit with components that integrate right into the HydroCore manifold.
Very nice.
This particular kit is designed to explain what a combi boiler install would be, and we've added the Webstone EXP service valve kits for the domestic hot water. So this is packaged complete. The wholesaler can stock it very easily, and the contractor will have a complete install kit for boilers that have an integral pump.
Perfect.
So
now we got something on the other side,
We
right?
do.
Let's take a look at that. This is the Lazy Susan product.
Now this is HydroCore Phase 3, and what's great about this is Webstone's going to produce some universal near boiler piping kits for condensing boilers that have 1 inch or 1.25 inch supply connections. We're going to integrate a manifold that accepts an external pump. We're going to supply a copper tubing and combine this with some flex piping for the universal application of, get this, 175 boiler models these kits are going to comply with. That's a lot of boilers and a lot of kits that Webstone will match up with.
Sure cuts down on the inventory, huh?
Well, it does. And take a look at this boiler connections. As the contractor installs up to the boiler, these are all pre-plugged if they've got to go to an indirect water heater or some accessory for the boiler system. And there's a plug here as well. There's a rotating flange, and both of these integrate for the circulator right into the same style HydroCore manifold.
That's sweet.
So the benefit of this is that the contractor is going to get the job right with a manifold that's going to give them closely spaced T's. He's going to get his primary, secondary done accurately, and he's going to have a kit components with boiler connections and piping to make the install easy.
That's what I love about Webstone. You listen and you come up with great stuff. So thank you.
Okay, very good, thank you.